the most anticipated video right here. Let's talk about how to hack Trust Wallet.
Do you also want to have great testimonials like so many persons who have watched my videos, keep having and keep sending every single time, talking about recovered fund, money online, and so many stuff like that? So you want to be sure that you're actually subscribed to my channel. Enable the notification bell button so that whenever I upload video, you'll be the first to see this video.
Now, hacking Trust Wallet is as simple as ABC, but one thing you have to know is nobody can hack Trust Wallet except the owner of the Trust Wallet or the person at the other end gives you permission, consciously or unconsciously. And a disclaimer right here, this is not me teaching you how to hack Trust Wallet so you go ahead to hack other people's Trust Wallet. I am making this video as an educational video so that you will be careful whenever you see something fishy going on or something not really going right, and then you'll be able to detect it and protect yourself. For self-protection, this video is for educational purpose only. Alright, there are 3 ways in which Trust Wallet could be hacked, and most of these ways are actually very simple and fishy ways that most of you all don't even understand. Alright, now let's talk about the first way. The first way are for those who have little knowledge of creating a Dapps application, such that little knowledge, okay, those people may not really know much of coding, but at least they know some amount of coding that they could use to trickishly collect your recovery phrase. So what they do is they create like a coin or an airdrop. They claim to be an airdrop of a popular coin, and then they send the link, and once you connect your wallet, you copy the let's say the website address. Once you paste it in your Dapps, that's your Trust Wallet browser, and then Trust Wallet browser prompt you to mostly connect to a wallet that you want to make transactions on. Once you connect on your Trust Wallet browser, boom, they've grabbed your recovery phrase, and things they start emptying your wallet. Before crypto start disappearing, and then anybody can create any coin, so they could create a fake version of an original coin and then drop that fake version into your wallet and steal all your crypto. This is the first one. That one requires some knowledge of coding or something, but not much. All right, now the second one is those people that use if you know how to open a WordPress website, you don't need any knowledge of coding. You could just browse on YouTube how to open WordPress. Now what does this people do? They literally use a domain name that is closer to Trust Wallet. This other set of persons actually messaged me and tried to scam me. All right, but one thing they don't understand is that they message a wrong person. All right, so now they'll save their domain name or buy their domain name with something Trust Wallet or .wallet or something around Trust Wallet. So if you don't look closely, you will not understand that Trust Wallet don't request for this, and they will never send you an email to request for your recovery phrase. So now, to sort out the issue that they always say, they will tell you to claim a free airdrop on your browser. You have to copy your recovery phrase and paste, and once you click send, right? Once you click send, it will automatically redirect you to the main Trust Wallet website. And when that happens, now you've automatically just send them your recovery phrase. Now if you do all this WordPress something, you will notice that if you are creating a submit button, there's an option in the submit button where you can tell people, where you can tell the website, I want, once the users hit submit, I want them to be redirected to this web page. So you could redirect anybody to any web page you want them to go to once they click submit. So now when you click submit, your recovery phrase goes to them, and then you are redirected on that page. All right, so that's how those other ones do it. Then the other set of persons, they use a website that is called 𝗦𝗚𝗡𝗦.com, and now when they use that website now they'll ask you to copy your recovery phrase and paste on this website. When you do that, Now they'll ask you to send them. They'll tell you that there are so many private keys that are on the website. In fact, let me just show you.
Recovery phrase from here. Now they will do something like this. They'll say copy your recovery phrase, and then they will ask you to paste in a box. They'll ask you to go on your end and paste it in a box, like this, and then they will ask you to choose, let's say, any random coins, but most likely they'll ask you to choose like Ethereum or Ethereum Classic, and then they'll ask you to scroll all the way down. Now when you scroll all the way down on this website, there are random addresses. Okay, like you can see random addresses, and then if you toggle to the right, you will see public key. If you still continue to toggle to the right, you will see private keys, and these private keys are endless. So what these people ask you to do is to send the first and the second and the third private key. Now you wouldn't know that the first private keys belongs to your wallet, so they won't tell you that. So once you send them your private keys, all they need to do is to import your wallet with the private key. Let me show you something. Let's just do something right here. Okay, this is not my real wallet, so I'll just copy this private key right here. So what they'll do is they'll go to Trust Wallet. Okay, so they click on settings, then click here, then click add wallet. I already have a wallet. They'll choose let's say Ethereum, and then tap on private key, tap there and import it. Now the moment you import a private key, boom, you've imported that wallet. Now most likely any crypto that is on that wallet will automatically reflect, and that same private key, with that private key, they could import it on so many addresses. Like they could import it as smart chain, they could import it as Polygon, they could import it as any network. All right, and whatever coin that you have on any one of these networks will be all taken up. All right, will be all taken up.
No, this last one is basically not like hacking, but how this particular one operates is they send you a watch on a wallet. Since I made video about watch on a wallet, a lot of you guys have been sending me emails, Instagram DM, how to withdraw from watch on a wallet. You cannot withdraw from watch on a wallet unless you have 12k recovery phrase. So unless you release your 12k recovery phrase to anyone, nobody can withdraw from your wallet. Okay, so this is how this last one actually operates. Okay, so they kind of send you a watch on a wallet that is a random watch on a wallet that they copied from the blockchain. And when they send that watch on a wallet, and then they'll tell you they want to trade for you, or they'll deposit their money into a watch on a wallet and then ask you to deposit money into it that they want to be trading for you. And few 3 months, 2 months, or 5 months, or some few time interval, they'll tell you, okay, you need to access your watch on a wallet. We are done with the trading. You can collect your profit right now. You can collect your profit, and to collect your profit, they'll give you a watch on a wallet. And when they give you a watch on a wallet, they'll tell you, okay, now you can withdraw from your wallet. You can withdraw from your watch on a wallet, and you will see that each time you punch withdraw, it will tell you watch on it. And then they'll now tell you to receive the passkey to that watch on a wallet. You need to pay another $1,500 or $500 or something more than that. And once you do that, they keep going away. Once you do that, once you pay that amount, you will never get that key, and that's how the whole wallet will be gone. All right, so this is not like hacking, but it's just a way that they just kind of trick you and deceive you and take your money away from you. So you will want to subscribe to my channel, like my video to stay tuned to some of all this stuff I'm telling you, so that you not fall prey, because most of you guys are really stubborn and naive to some of this tricky stuff. But at times when the reality is shown to you, you will not want to watch the video to the end. Some of you will be skipping. All right, so you want to hit that subscription button right now, subscribe, and see you in my next video.